Fox Carolina investigates right now, taking bribes and ignoring violations. Greenville County Deputies arresting a man who should be supervising people under house arrest. Instead, he's now the one facing charges. Fox Carolina has been investigating tracking these issues for years now. Investigative reporter Grace Runkle's breaking down what arrest warrants reveal about the alleged scheme.
Normally, when someone violates the terms of their house arrest, they get put behind bars. But according to these arrest warrants that we've found, one man in charge of overseeing offenders in Greenville County would instead ask for money and then make those violations disappear. Kendrick Fuller was an assistant branch manager at Sentinel Offender Services. Greenville County contracts with the company to run its house arrest program. Fuller is now facing 4 charges: blackmail, 2 kinds of bribery, and accepting money to conceal a misdemeanor. Investigators say he overlooked violations like offenders staying out past curfew and going to areas judges said they weren't allowed to be. On Sentinel's website, Fuller was previously chosen as Employee of the Month. I contacted the company after learning about the arrest. A spokesperson told us Fuller is no longer employed by Sentinel and they are actively cooperating with law enforcement. Fox Carolina Investigates has covered issues with home incarceration programs before. In January 2024, Gary Whitten violated the conditions of his house arrest by spending the night at his girlfriend's home. His ankle monitor notified Sentinel he was somewhere he wasn't supposed to be. The company called Whitten's girlfriend, who said she was okay. But they didn't call law enforcement, which is required by law. The next day, Whitten killed his girlfriend and his mother, then set the house on fire. The search for Whitten ended that night in an officer-involved shooting. Whitten was killed. Our coverage of the incident led an upstate lawmaker to request SLED investigate what led up to that double murder. We're still waiting to find out the results of that investigation, but since then, we've also asked for a copy of the annual report Sentinel is supposed to submit to SLED. The agency says they have our request and are working to get the documents. As for the case against Fuller, he is currently out on bond. Grace Runkle, Fox Carolina News.